I've watched our videos, so I should be okay. What's that? So to change the bungee, I'm going to remove the top screw first, which is actually the longest, as I learned from Russell on our videos. Then the bottom, which is the shortest. Okay.
Did you know why the top one's longer than the bottom?
It has to go through the bungee and the boot into the nut in the back, so that's why it is. No, it's not broken yet, but I'm working on it. And then the sides are both the same here, but they're going to be longer than the bottom on the front. So we're going to keep all these separated. The torque on this is lower harder or higher? Never mind. Let's figure that one out. Okay. So then the bungee comes out, and you can see the 3 adjustments as far as tension on either side. Okay. And then, per the video, to put the new bungee on.
Outside.
Go outside. And we're going to put the longest one on first. Tighten it up nice and snug. In the bottom. Tighten that up snug as well. And then we're going to do our adjustments to whichever tension we want. So one of the 3, I'm going to go into the center. Nice and snug. And then the center on this side as well. So we'll line it up. I think my battery's going dead. Sorry. And then as Russ said, go ahead and go through, or maybe it was Mike, go ahead and make sure everything's actually snug with a screwdriver. And you're good.